Just another day in the misfiring Subi. Yikes, that was a rough startup. There's a good old check engine light. One more day of this and I'm gonna be getting that coil pack switched out because this is just brutal. Just brutal. So it's gonna be the third cylinder this time. And luckily for me, that is on the easier side to get to. I'm hoping AutoZone has the coil pack in stock because I'm gonna get that today and then install it tonight. Well, that's the plan, so we'll see how things go. There's some serious shake going on right now. This is just resting on my steering wheel. Shaking a bit. All right, just about to make it to work on another bummed cylinder, another bummed coil pack. Thankfully for me, I don't commute very far, so it's really no big deal. Can't wait to get this misfire fixed after work, so. Start this bum boxer engine up. 3 cylinders ready. So rough, so rough. Well, thankfully I was able to get an ignition coil ordered in from AutoZone today while I was at work. Now it should be ready for pickup, so I'm gonna go head over there right now. I'm getting used to this misfire life, I guess. It's pretty shitty. I only will have to do this 2 more times when the other 2 cylinders go out. It's just as fun the second time. I'm sure it'll be just as fun the 3rd and 4th time. It really runs like shit, doesn't it? Yeah, you guessed it right. Hello, I'm coming for you, AutoZone. You just stay right there. Just can't get enough of this place. Just pulled up to AutoZone. About to go get that coil pack. Hopefully they ordered it and everyone did their job. Oh man, oh man. Of course they would order the wrong ignition coil. Just my luck, they ordered the Duralast brand instead of the Delphi. So I'm gonna have to search around. Hopefully I'll get one today, because I want to install this and get my car running right. Where can I find this part today? Okay, so I just did some searching and I didn't find any at AutoZone in stock. Didn't find any at O'Reilly's in stock. And Napa Auto Parts also doesn't have it in stock. But the cool thing is Napa Auto Parts can have the part next day, 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going with that option. Still not ideal. I really wanted to get it all fixed tonight, but it's gonna have to be delayed a little bit. But I'm happy I can get the part overnighted and I'll pick it up tomorrow. We're back in the Corolla. Good old freaking reliable Corolla, let me tell you. I've been in this thing more than my Subaru in the last couple months. Nah, just kidding. Hey, what's going on, guys? Well, just got off work and I'm heading to Napa Auto Parts to get that damn ignition coil. Well, there was a quick $100 once again, but we got the right part this time. Delphi, ready to go install this thing. There she blows. Back at it again with this damn coil pack. Ignition coil, whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna get it swapped out tonight. Just gonna give the car a quick start up, make sure it's still misfiring. Warm it up a little bit and see what the status is today. It's been sitting all day. I drove my girlfriend's car, so just gonna start her up and see how she behaves. Ooh. Let's just get a quick read on the access port here. Cylinder 3 misfire detected. So let's go on ahead and hunt down that cylinder 3 and get that old coil pack out. Brutal. Smells like shit. It's that good 91 octane. Wish it was corn. Well, hey guys. According to my research, it shows me that cylinder 3 is going to be back right by near the turbo down there, which is good because that is an easier side to get to the coil pack and the spark plug. I am very thankful it is not this rear pack down there under all that mumbo jumbo bullshit. So yeah, we're going to go on ahead and start getting this crap out of the way and getting to the main source over there, the main problem down yonder. Two 10mm bolts. Removing all 5 Allen head screws. I'm a freaking pro at this by now. Remove 10mm bolt. Done. Remove 12mm bolt. Done. 5/16 socket. Remove mass sensor. Remove air filter. Remove air box. Just like that, we are at the coil pack. Right down there. What'd that take? Only a couple minutes. 12mm socket. Bazinga. Cylinder 3 coil pack right here. Looks pretty shitty. Let's get it out of here. Get this old one snapped off. There's a little tab in the back there. Pull it. There we go. Make sure you put it in right. Wait for the snap. Oh, it's not the snap I was looking for. Shiitake mushrooms, son. Everything was going so good. Everything was going so perfect. Let's just throw a wrench in my plans right now. Threw a fat wrench. Huge. Moving on, I guess. Moving on. Little piece of tape or something. Little support tape on there. Well, what can I say? Shit happens. Let's get that damn zip tie on there. See if I can MacGyver the shit out of this. Professional quality right here. Zip ties are lifesavers, yeah? How tight can we go? Snug as a bug in a rug. Definitely ghetto rigged. Definitely not recommended. Once again, nothing I do is really recommended. Snip this off and see how she fits. Right, you little bastard. You're going back. You're going back in, son. Feel around for the top of the spark plug. Definitely doesn't get any more jankier than this, let me tell you. I forget to put this little, I think it's an O2 sensor bracket. Just slides right behind the mounting bolt for the coil pack. I'm gonna throw in the air filter and the MAF sensor real quick before I start it up. Well, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's go on ahead and give her a test start. Guess I'll need the keys. Oh yeah. It worked. Great success. She is operating smoothly now. All right, I just reset the check engine light. Let's see. Yeah, it's restarted. I restarted it. Reset the ECU to get rid of the check engine light. That's why it's giving me an issue right now when it's starting up. Not to worry. There we go. Just a little squeak. No check engine light. Double check this, troubleshooting, read codes. No codes were found. That's a great statement right there. Yes, it is indeed. That's freaking awesome. Another successful coil pack install. Well, semi-successful, I should say. Let's go ahead and put everything back together. Don't forget to seal the air box off. Keep all the hot out in, all the cold air in. All secure and ready for the boost. Snorkel. She's looking all nice and purty again, ready for her first test drive on the new coil pack. Let's hope the other ones don't go out while I'm doing the test drive, because I'm tired of this shit. I might as well check the oil while I'm at it. How much on there is there? Just on the tip. This is a cold motor too. So that is extremely low, let me tell you that. So you know what we'll do? On our nice test drive, we're gonna be going to AutoZone to get some more freaking oil. What a great idea. What a freaking great idea. Alright, that's what we like to see right there. No check engine light, no nothing. Just my brights on because I got a bum light bulb. It's actually a short. It's not as easy as just swapping out the bulb. So I just run the brights and yeah, it doesn't piss too many people off. 2 auto parts stores within 2 hours. Wow, that's pretty absurd. Oh yeah, baby. There's AutoZone. We got some good old high mileage. Some platinum high mileage here. I'm gonna add it to the engine now. High mileage, high mileage, high mileage. Gotta get that high mileage. All right, we just added the oil. Now we can get a real test drive in. Go on ahead and do a little boost action on the way home. Let's go. Good to me. Sounds real good to me. Sounds really good to me. Woohoo! Slow it down. There's a bump. Slow it down. Big bump coming up. Don't want to get off all 4 wheels now. There we go, there we go. All right, slowing it down, coming down the hill. All right. conclude this little test drive. So it was pretty successful, let me tell you. Pretty successful. Boost is back. Check engine light is off. And yeah. Right on there, buddy. Right on. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for another coilover. No. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for another coilover. God damn it. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for another ignition coil install. I mean, you know there's gonna be 2 more coming, but we just don't know when yet. It can happen at any time. We just don't know when they're gonna start misfiring. Just like this last one was pretty much a surprise. So we will catch you guys on the next Misfire ignition coil replacement. Alright guys, take it easy.